Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be playing Roblox. We're going to be playing this. Honey. We're going to be playing speedrun. Hey girl, you don't like me a little bit? No, I don't even like you a little bit. Oh, girl. So yeah, well, that's what I am. So we're going to be playing two games. We're going to be playing speedrun for a bit. And then, but this video is going to be 15 minutes long. Oh my god, it always says that, guys. Just ignore it. Ignore it. It's finally working. God. Okay, I'm trying not to click that button. And I just want an interesting boba about a wig because I love printing out in wigs. Don't judge me. And then I got that. What else did I get? I got bursting boba. I got a wig.